Hey everyone, welcome back to another Kubernetes tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to run a simple NGINX web server on a Minikube and expose it so you can access it from your browser. It's a great first step if you're just getting started with Kubernetes. So let's get started. If you haven't already started your cluster, run minikube start. This command initialize a single node Kubernetes cluster locally. It may take a couple of minutes depending on your machine. So to verify everything is working, run minikube status. You should see something like host running, kubelet running, API server running, kubeconf configured. Now that your cluster is ready, let's create a Kubernetes deployment using the official NGINX image. Run kubectl, create deployment, hello minikube. I will provide an image. So deployment is created. This command tells Kubernetes to spin up a pod running NGINX under a deployment named Hello Minikube. To check if pod is up and running, you can check kubectl get pods. You should see a pod with a name that starts with Hello Minikube here, and the status should be a running, and this is just started 32 seconds ago. Next, we need to expose the deployment so we can access NGINX server from outside the cluster. Run kubectl expose deployment hello minikube hyphen type. You can mention NodePort and provide the port. Hello minikube is invalid, unsupported value, NodePort. It's typo mistake here. I think we need capital P. Yes, the service has been created. This creates a service and maps a AT port to the pod to a randomly assigned node port on your machine. To find external URL for the NGINX service, use this command minikube service hello minikube. So I'm using mobile xterm. So it will, if you want, you can open it from here, a graphical application where you can access the browser. Let's move to the terminal first. You should see output similar to this. The namespace is default. Hello minikube is the name and the target port is 80. This is the IP address. You can access this on your browser as well, or else you can wait to open it on your mobile xterm. You should see the default NGINX welcome page. Let's see some of the troubleshooting steps if you're not getting it. If the page does not load, don't worry. Try these steps. I will close this by Ctrl C. You can check kubectl logs and give the pod name. Here you can check the logs why you are not getting it. From here you will get some idea. And the next troubleshooting step is, if you face same issue again, you can restart the deployment and expose it again. So I will share some of the commands, like you can delete the deployment and service, kubectl delete deployment hello minikube. Run this Control C. And the next is kubectl delete svc hello minikube. After running these two commands, you need to create it once again. The create command I have already shared above. Kubectl create deployment hello minikube hyphen hyphen image equals to NGINX. And the other command is kubectl expose deployment hello minikube hyphen hyphen type equals to NodePort equals to 80. Let me share it once again. This is the first command to create a deployment, and afterwards you need to expose it. These two commands you need to run once again. And the third troubleshooting step, even though if it is not getting access, try minikube tunnel. This will create a tunnel to allow access to your minikube server externally. After completing these steps, you should be able to access NGINX web server page running on minikube. So let's see the next topic. If you want to scale your deployments and run more than one pods, you can run kubectl get pods. This is the command to scale the deployment. Hello minikube replicas equals to 3. So earlier it was running one minikube as a single pod. Now let's check kubectl get pods. We have increased the replicas from 1 to 3. Now 3 pods are running. This one has started 11 seconds ago, and this pod is also started 11 seconds ago. 2 pods has been added now. And let's say if you want to update the NGINX version running in your deployments, you can perform a rolling updates with kubectl set image deployment hello minikube deployment slash hello minikube and provide NGINX the image name image version 1.25. Check the rollout status kubectl rollout status deployment slash hello minikube. Waiting for the deployment hello minikube rollout to finish. 1 out of 3 new replica have been updated. So 2 has been done. Now 1 old replica are pending for termination. You can see the deployment has been successfully rolled out. This shows you the process of update by running this command kubectl rollout status deployment slash minikube. So if you want to check what's happening inside a pod, you can view the logs as I shown you earlier. Kubectl get pods kubectl logs and provide a pod name. So in our case, if you want to check the logs of first pod, you can check it from here or this or this. Just you need to replace pod name with actual pod and press enter. You will get the log updates. This is useful for debugging and monitoring what's happening inside your container. Want to see more details about the service? You can run kubectl describe svc hello minikube. This gives you insight into how Kubernetes is routing the traffic to the NGINX pod. If things aren't working as expected, you can check the Kubernetes events by running kubectl get events. This is helpful for spotting common issues and troubleshooting. If you want to see the configurations of your deployment in YAML format, you can run kubectl get deployment Give the deployment name -o YAML. By giving -o YAML, you will get this kind of output. You can copy paste it. This is a great for learning about the structure of Kubernetes resource or for versioning your configs. Want to visualize dashboard to manage your Minikube setup? You can do it with Minikube dashboard. It opens a UI in your browser where you can view deployments, pods, services, and more. It's a great visual tool for beginners. Here you can see a namespace. On left hand side you can see the cluster, config maps, deployment, services, etc. We will explore it in more details in our upcoming tutorials. And that's it for this tutorial. You have successfully created and exposed an NGINX image on a Minikube. You have also learned how to scale deployments, update the image, check the logs, and troubleshoot your service. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Kubernetes tutorial. Stay tuned for the next video where we dive deeper into the Kubernetes dashboard. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.